Dear guests, welcome to Paris, where the local time is 2 and 10 minutes. The outside temperature is plus 22 degrees. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Remember to take all your personal belongings and please take care when opening the overhead lockers. On behalf of Swiss, operated by Air Baltic, thank you for choosing to fly with us. It has been our pleasure having you on board, and we hope to welcome you on our flights again. Thank you, and we wish you a wonderful day in Paris. Goodbye.